Module 2, the skills test, is Path of the Sun, and this is just a still image of an animation that you're probably seeing on your screen. And what we have here is I've got the summer solstice up top, we got the winter solstice down below. And notice that the blue line here, that's your celestial equator. The yellow line is the path of the sun on that particular day. Notice a couple of other things. Of course, this is a still image, but notice we got the sun. The sun is going down from being visible to being invisible. So you know essentially what time of day it is. You know the direction your little dude would have to look in order to see the sun, as it's, in this case, setting. Think about that, and also keep an eye on, you should be seeing some shadows of the little guy in the middle. Those shadows are important because that tells you a little bit about the height of the sun in the sky and which direction the sun is located, depending on the length and the direction of the shadow that you're seeing. But by observing those animations, that's going to help you answer the first two questions. Now moving on to question number 3, notice in question number 3, it wants you to rank the height of the noontime sun in the sky. So it'll be worth going back and watching where the sun is located in the sky at noontime on the summer solstice and on the winter solstice. That should help to inform you for question number 3. And notice in question number 3, not only do you have to select the date from this one drop-down box, but then the next drop-down box asks you to, it's a comparison. Either you're going to choose that the height of the sun is lower than, or that it's equal to the next date that you've chosen. So again, we want to rank these different dates according to the height of the noontime sun in the sky. So you want to go from lowest to highest, and keep in mind that you may have a couple of dates that are essentially the same height above the horizon. So keep that in mind as you're ranking them. Okay, then moving on, question number 4. Here we want to know about the correct sunrise and sunset location with the proper date. So again, you've been given these different locations, and then you just choose from the drop-down the proper date that goes along with the correct sunrise or sunset location. Okay, and then finally, moving on through questions 5, 6, and 7, what you're looking at here is an image taken on the campus of the University of Nebraska at Lincoln. What you really want to focus on is the direction and the length of the shadow being cast, particularly by the buildings, or you can look at the lampposts or whatever. But that should be giving you some information about the height of the sun in the sky on that particular date, and also the direction of the sun. And so that should help you tell what time of the year you're observing from.